చూడు అది
and
పోతున్నది.
touch my toe, and touch my toe. I am a star. Repeat. I am a star. I know.
ఉండవే
I
నువ్వు
know.
క్లాస్ వినవే ఫస్ట్.
I can
దాన్ని
jump
కదిలించకు,
high.
కదిలిస్తే పోతున్నది.
I can jump
ఏమొద్దు.
high and touch my toe, and touch my toe.
మేడం కొట్టుద్ది క్లాస్
Very good, children. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
ఇది అయిన తర్వాత పెట్టాలి.
Very good, children. Now tell me the next one. Repeat. Repeat means you have to say with me. Repeat means you have to say. Okay. Repeat along with me. I am an angel. I am an angel. I am an angel. I know. I know. I can shake my tummy. I can shake my tummy and dance on the floor. And dance on the floor. Can you dance on the floor? Can you dance? Can you dance? Come on, dance. Yes. He is saying that he is an angel, it seems. Do you know that angel? She is in white color, or he is in white colored dress, and he carries a star in his hand. Have you seen that picture? Yes. He is an angel, it seems. Say again, repeat again, children. I am an angel. I am an angel. I know. I know. I can shake my tummy. I can shake my tummy and dance on the floor. And dance on the floor. Very good. Now see the third one. I am strong. Are you strong, children? Yes, we are strong. I am strong. He is saying that I am strong. And I know I drink milk every day. He drinks milk every day, it seems. Are you drinking milk every day in the morning? Yes, that is a good habit. We have to drink a glass of milk every day in the morning. Okay? And watch me grow. See, he is growing, it seems. Are you growing? You people are growing well. Okay, now say along with me. I am strong.
I am strong.
I am strong. I know. I know. I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. Watch me grow. Watch me grow. Watch me grow. Yes. He's saying that I live with my family. I live with my family. Yo, yo, yo. He's saying that I live with my family. Yo, yo, yo. He's saying all about him. So, can we say about us? Can we say about you? Say, when I am saying my name is Pavan, you should say your name, isn't it? Okay, you should say your name. Okay, children? Tell me now. My name is Pavan. You have to say your name. My name is Kanishk. My name is Chanvi Kundana. My name is Akshita. Like that, you have to say your name. Okay, here the boy name is Pavan itself. My name is Kanishk. My name is Chanvi Kundana. My name is Hrithik. My name is Himanya. Okay, you have to say your name. My name is Kalyani. What is your name? You have to say that. This is about yourself. So that is why you have to say your name. My name is Kalyani, or my name is Pavan, or my name is Kanish.
క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది.
Yes, my name is Dinoop. And next sentence. I am studying in LKG. I am studying in LKG. Say again, children. I am studying in LKG. I am studying in LKG. I am studying in LKG. Now you are in LKG, right? So you have to say I am studying in LKG. And now you see here, I am a boy or I am a girl. అమ్మాయి అయితే గర్ల్ అని చెప్పాలి, అబ్బాయి అయితే బాయ్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, Chanvi Kundana has to say I am a girl. Dinoop has to say I am a boy. Okay, if you are a girl, you should say I am a girl. If you are a boy, you should say I am a boy. Okay, children. Now tell me, I am a girl. See, my name is Kalyani and I am a girl. So I am saying I am a girl. If you are Pawan, you should say you are a boy. I am a boy. Okay, children. Tell me now.
వస్తుంది అరగంట సేపు
I am a boy. I am a boy. Or I am a girl. Okay. Let's move to the next one. I like pink color. You can see here background. There is pink color. Yes, children.
Pink.
I like pink color. Which color do you like? Do you like white color? Do you like white color? Do you like red color? Do you like blue color? Which color do you like, children? So say your favorite color. I like pink color. And so you like white color. Do you like blue color? Which color do you like? Say the color name there.
అరే ఫస్ట్
I like yellow color. I like blue color. I like white color. I like green color. Okay, in that way you have to say I like pink color. So next sentence, you see the next sentence here. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples. Do you like to eat apples? Do you like to eat watermelon? Do you like to eat grapes? So say your favorite food here. Okay, any food you can place here. I like chapati. I like to eat chapatis. Okay, say your favorite food here. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples.
వచ్చేసి నేను పట్టుకుంటాను
And what about you? You say that there. I like to eat bananas. I like to eat watermelon. I like to eat pineapple. I like to eat guava. Okay, whenever you are eating a fruit, then you say this thing and say eat the fruit. Then you can get a sentence, isn't it? So whenever you want to eat apple, you say this sentence. I like to eat apples. Okay? Then next sentence, you see here. I love my parents. I love my parents. So we all love our parents, right? I love my parents because they give us food, they protect us, they care us, and our mama and papa loves us. So that is why we also love them. Yes, no. I love my parents. What do you say? I love my parents. Yes, children. Now we will repeat all these things about us. Myself. Myself. Repeat, children. Myself. Myself. You are saying about you. I am saying about me. So that is why we have to say this is as myself. Myself. My name is Pawan.
కౌష్కి
So say your name, children. My name is Pawan. If I am saying, say your name and say. My name is Dinoop. My name is Himanya. My name is Kaushiki. My name is Pranavi. My name is Nitya. My name is Vidhun. Say your name, children. My name is Manipriya. Say your name. Okay. My name is Pavan. Next sentence. I am studying in LKG. 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 Now, what you have to say if you are a boy? I am a boy. అమ్మాయి అయితే I am a girl.
ఏం లేదే మంచిగానే ఉన్నది.
Okay. I am a boy.
నీకు అమ్మకి
I am a girl.
ఏం లేదే మంచిగానే ఉన్నదే. ఏం లేదు.
Mom, I am saying that I like pink color. I like pink color. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples. I love my parents. I love my parents. Say again. I like pink color. I like pink color. I like pink color. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples. Okay. Now we will learn how to write small h. Okay, children? Now we will learn how to write small h. So before that, I am going to give you the other work here today. That is a good activity. Use watercolors and put your handprint here. So in the nursery class, we put our thumbprint, no? We dip our thumb in color and we paste it like this. We stamp it like this, isn't it? In the nursery, we have done thumbprint. So in the LKG, you are having handprint. You have to dip your hand in the favorite color and print here. Okay. I want pink color because that is my favorite color. I'll dip my hand in the pink color and paste a stamp here. Okay. So you do with your favorite color in the page number 157. In the page number 157, we are having this activity. Dip your hand in the watercolor, your favorite watercolor, and stamp that in this box. And next one, color the flower with your favorite color. Okay, if your favorite color is yellow, mark these all petals with yellow color. Okay, children, this is the activity today I am going to give you. So now, let us see the small letter, small h. Excuse me. Small h. What is this, children? Small h. So h we write like this. Capital H we write like this. What about small h then? Small h you have to write like this. You have to touch the top of the red color one and bottom black color one. So write a straight line and make a hump here. Okay? H. Make a straight line first. Draw a straight line first and draw a hump here. Okay. That is a small h. H is for small h is for hut. Hut or hat. H is for hat or house, horse. Many names are there with H, isn't it? So let us write small h. H. You have to touch the two lines here you are having at the top of the red line and bottom black line. So touch these two. Draw a straight line first and then draw a hump. Excuse me. So now see here, small h. Small h. Small h. So you can see small h here. H for horse, H for horse, H for hut, H for hut, H for house, H for house. This is a small h. What is this? Small h. Small h. Small h. You have to say and write. You have to say and write small h. Small h. Small h. Okay, children, you have to say and write. Whenever you write something, you have to say that and write. Small h. H is for house. H is for hat. H is for hut. H is for horse. You are writing small h now. What is this? Small h. Try to speak English with your parents too. Okay, children? So when you are writing, you have to say small h. You have to say small h. What is this? Small h. Standing line and then a hump. Standing line and 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 hump. This is H. What is this? H. Hey, we have done. So we need to get a star. Yes, no? Very good, children. This is a small h. Now let us see about all the small letters whatever we have learnt. So I am writing here small a. Every day you also should practice all the small letters you have learnt and A to Z capital letters. Okay? Every day you should practice all the small letters you learned. And capital letters too. You have to say this as small a, small a, small a, small a. How many times you practice, that much good handwriting you will get. Okay? Say and practice more, because if you are in the school, you use it to write at least 2 hours per day. In the LKG, at least the teacher makes you to practice for 2 hours. Each day you may practice 2 hours. And half of the day you might practice all the activities and rhymes and all. So if you want to perfect, if you want to be fluent in your knowledge and all, so you have to do practice, much more practice. Teacher gives work for only half an hour. Yes, no? You can finish all these in the half an hour. Only one page you are writing here, right? So that you have to increase your practice. Write all the A to Z every day, and small letters, whatever you have learned, you have to write every day. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నేను రాస్తాను, నేను గుడ్ గర్ల్, నేను గుడ్ బాయ్ అని చెప్పాలి మమ్మీకి. నేను రాసేసుకుంటాను, నాకు బుక్ ఇవ్వు మమ్మీ అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకేనా? మీరు రాసేసుకోవాలి, గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్ లాగా మీరు రాసేసుకోవాలి. రోజు మమ్మీ చేత ఒక స్టార్ పెట్టించుకోవాలి. ఎవరు పెట్టించుకుంటున్నారు స్టార్ మమ్మీ చేత? అందరూ పెట్టించుకోవాలి స్టార్స్. ఓకేనా? రోజు గుడ్ బాయ్స్ గుడ్ గర్ల్స్ లాగా రాసేసుకోవాలి, స్టార్స్ పెట్టించుకోవాలి మమ్మీ చేత. ఓకే, రేపు మీ స్టార్స్ నాకు చూపించండి. ఓకేనా? మీరందరికి ఎన్ని స్టార్స్ వచ్చినాయో రేపు నాకు చూపించదు. ఓకే? సో మీరందరు ఇవాళ ఏం చేయాలి? A to Z లెటర్స్ రాయాలి, ఈ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ రాయాలి. మమ్మీ రాసుకోమ్మా అని చెప్పంగానే రాసేసుకోవాలి. గుడ్ గర్ల్స్ మీరందరూ, గుడ్ గర్ల్స్ గుడ్ బాయ్స్. అమ్మ రాసుకోమ్మా అని చెప్పగానే బుక్ తీసేసుకోవాలి, రాయడం స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్. మీరందరూ మళ్ళీ స్కూల్ కి వచ్చేసినాక మీ అందరికి మంచి మంచి గిఫ్ట్స్ తీసుకొస్తానే, చాక్లెట్స్, పెన్సిల్స్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం మంచిగా రాసేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నౌ వి విల్ స్టార్ట్ అగైన్ విత్ బి, స్మాల్ బి. Okay, now after small b we have to write small c. 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 Now after c, d. Small d. Small d. D has a straight line and left circle. Okay, D has a straight line and left circle.
మీరు ఆపించండి
D has a straight line, left circle. D has a straight line and left circle. Small d. Small d రాసేటప్పుడు చెప్తూ రాయాలి ఇలాగా. ఓకే, టీచర్ ఎలా చెప్తూ రాస్తున్నారు, స్మాల్ ఈ స్మాల్ ఈ స్మాల్ డి అని, మీరు కూడా అలా చెప్తూ రాయాలి. స్మాల్ ఈ small e, small e, small e, small e, small e. Now small f, small f, small f, small f, small f, small f. Now small g, a circle and a tail, small g. Circle and a tail, small g. Small g. G for goat, G for grapes, G for grain.
మీకే వస్తుంది
Okay children, we have learned all this. So today I am going to show you small I also. I am going to show you small I. Because already we have all these letters we learned already, so that is why I want to move fastly, because we are getting only 3 periods per a week. So in one day I'll show 2 letters and I'll give you one letter for homework. I'll show you 2 letters and I'll give you one for the homework. Okay children, so this is for ice cream. I for ice cream, standing line, top a line and down another line. It is very simple children. We have to write between the 2 black lines. In between 2 black lines we have to write I. Top of that a small dot, nice and simple. Straight line and dot. Straight line in between black color lines and dot. Straight line in between black color lines and a dot at the top. Small I. What is this? Small I. What is this children? I. Small I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. This is a small I. Small I we have to write in between 2 black color lines because it is small. This is small I. In between 2 black color lines, straight line and dot. Small I. What is this? Small I. What is this children? Small I. 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 I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ink pot. Okay, today I am going to give you another activity here. Because you are learning all the letters, by using small letters I have given you a small activity. Okay, so this is for tomorrow you can get. So what you have to do, join the dots. Join the dots and find what it is. Join the dots, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F G, G after H, H after I. So you have to join all these and say how the cat is. Okay, children? Give me a minute. I'll get your textbook. So in textbook you have to open the page number. You have to open the page number. We have learned C letter words and D letter words, right? So today we are going to learn about E. We are going to learn about E. See here, children. Yes. Hello. Mute your microphones. I am getting that air sound or wind sound. Yes. Yes. Now you can see the page number 22 in your textbook. See here, capital E and small e. Capital E and small e. Now you can see here, engine. What is that? Engine, E for engine. What is this? E for engine. And here it is, E for egg. E for egg.
ఏమో తెలియదు, నేను చూడలేదు.
E for eye. Where is your eye? Show your eye. That is for E. E-Y-E, eye. E-Y-E, eye. Eye for E for eye. E for eye. And now you can see here, E for eraser. E for eraser. Eraser. We erase, no? If we write mistakes, we erase, no? That is this. Eraser. And next one. What is this, children? Elephant. E for elephant. And next one. E for eagle. E for eagle. And next one. E for ear.
చెవి.
E for ear. Now tell me. Engine. Egg. Eye.
ఎగ్.
Eraser.
ఇంజన్.
Elephant.
రైల్ ఇంజన్.
Eagle. Ear. Now I'll give you some time to repeat. Say engine.
ఇంజన్.
Engine. Egg.
ఎగ్.
Egg.
ఎగ్ ఇప్పుడే తిన్నావు కదా చిచ్కి.
Eyes.
అదే ఎగ్.
Eyes.
ఐస్.
Eraser. 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 Elephant. 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 Eagle. Eagle.
ఈగిల్.
Ear. Ear. Yes, children? So these are all for E. This is capital E and this is small e. E for engine, egg, eye, eraser, elephant, eagle, ear, engine. Okay, you have to learn all these, children. Tomorrow we will read the rhyme of this. Okay, let me give me a minute. I will take your attendance.
చెప్తే మాట్లాడుతున్నా.
So children, you have to purchase the books. If you didn't buy, you have to purchase the books. Now he is selling with 30% off, so you may get better. And see, we are getting work from the textbook also.
అన్నదే నువ్వు గుర్తు.
If you didn't purchase the textbook, you will lose the work, you will lose the subject too. So purchase the textbooks, children.
అవునే గుడ్ గర్ల్
And mostly you have purchased, I think. Okay, you have to purchase the textbooks and you have to write the classwork what teacher is giving to you. Okay, children. Now tell me this. I have ears. E E E.
చూడు చిచ్కి
I have ears. E E E.
చిచ్కి
I have ears. E E E. Show your ears, children. Show your ears and say, I have ears. E E E. Eagles have ears. Eagles have ears. Eagles have ears. E E E. Eagles have ears. E E E. Elephants have ears. Elephants have ears. Big ears. See? Big ears. Elephants have ears. E E E. I have ears. E E E. Eagles have ears. E E E. Elephants have ears. E E E. And now see the rail engine. We are listening to the engine. Engine say coot. No? Can you hear that? Yes, all these are having ears and listening to the engine. Okay. So in the textbook you see all the pictures and identify what is the picture is. Okay children, this is for today. Have a good day children. Have a good day. You have to say thank you teacher.
థ్యాంక్ యూ టీచర్
Thank you teacher. Okay children, bye.
అక్కి వదిలేదట్లా అక్కి అప్ప తిన్నా